Well, over the past couple of weeks, you've seen a tired old kitchen receive a much-needed facelift. And joining me right now is Jeff from Tarkett. Jeff, we're putting the crowning touch on this today, and that is the floor. Tell us a little bit about FiberFlow from Tarkett.
FiberFlow is a fiberglass reinforced product with a foam backing. There's two methods of installing it. The glueless is the preferred method, and we have a releasable adhesive if you want a releasable bond and you want it to be glued to the floor.
Now, I've noticed that there seems to be some qualities of almost a cushion to it. Is that the foam backing on it?
That's the foam backing, that's correct.
The secret ingredient, we're not giving away corporate secrets, is the glass that's in the product. Is that right?
That's correct as well.
Okay, and installation is really a breeze. You guys took about 6 hours to do about 700 square feet. Tell us what's involved for the installation for maybe the retailers or installers out there.
The trick is to make sure the subfloor is nice and smooth. You want to make sure that you sweep the area, make sure there's nothing high, or the high-low areas will telegraph through. Once you've done that, the key is to make sure that you stay at least 1/4 of an inch away from all vertical surfaces. When you do that, that allows the structure to move if it's a wood surface. If you're going directly over concrete, you can go net.
All right, and I noticed you guys took great care when there were a few seams. How are those seams accomplished?
With the FiberFlow, what you need to do is you need to double cut those dry. And if you're going on a wood substrate, you need to use the floating seam tape so the subfloor can move underneath it. If you're going over concrete, you need to use our seam tape, which is a double-sided tape.
I noticed Kelly, your assistant, if we can call him that, he seemed to know he's in charge of everything, but very proficient at this. But if there are retailers and contractors and installers out there, I noticed that Tarkett has great depth when it comes to support materials like videos for installation, training, and you'll actually go out and train retailers and installers how to put it in, right?
That's correct. We do that probably weekly.
As you guys put this in, I finally noticed the last step was the sealing of the joints. Now, how many times does that have to be done?
If you do it correct, once. And because what you're doing is when you seal the material, you seal the entire thickness of the product with footnotes, and it'll stay that way forever. What it really is the surface in a liquid form, and it fuses everything together, and it works forever.
That's amazing. And again, just to recap, what are some of the features and benefits of the FiberFlow that comes from Tarkett?
It's very comfortable. It's easy to install. If you know how to use a knife, anyone can do it. And in a basement, it's great for damp basements. Water won't damage it. You just need to take it back out. If you want to do this floor over again, all you need to do is just pull it out, make a template, and put it right back in.
Well, this is wonderful material. A lot of our retailers and installers out there are going to want to learn more. What's the best way for them to do so?
They can go on our website, www.tarkettusa.com.
All right. Well, Jeff, thanks for being on the show.
You're more than welcome.